A very good morning to all. Today we are moving on to the next topic, that is about non-biodegradable waste. So in the last class we discussed that solid waste can be categorized into two, that is biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. So we have already discussed about biodegradable waste. So moving on to the next one, that is non-biodegradable waste. So first let's see what is non-biodegradable waste. So waste which does not decompose or degrade in natural conditions, we call it as non-biodegradable waste. So these waste, they do not decompose in natural conditions. So such waste, what do we call? We call it as non-biodegradable waste. For example, all kinds of plastic, then glass, thermocol. So all these are non-biodegradable because they do not decompose. They do not degrade in natural condition. So these types of materials are called as non-biodegradable because they do not decompose or degrade in natural condition. So we know that non-biodegradable waste do not decompose. It accumulates in land and water. So nowadays we can see the oceans, rivers, lakes. So all these water bodies are filled with all these non-biodegradable materials which do not decompose or degrade in natural condition that can pollute the water. And the polluted water is harmful for all living beings. So what are non-biodegradable waste? Waste that do not get decomposed or degrade in natural condition, we call it as non-biodegradable waste. The next is why our surroundings are not clean. So it is our duty to take care of our surroundings. So we can see the bus stops, the railway station, the roadside places which are not clean. So it is actually our duty to clean the surroundings, or we need to help the local bodies to manage waste. So when we litter roads, bus stops or railway station, moreover we make the task of managing waste more difficult if we do not segregate waste. So waste can be solid or liquid. It is very difficult to remove waste if we do not segregate them properly, so that we cannot reduce the waste. So if we take proper steps to reduce waste and we participate in segregating waste, we can help in managing waste so that we can make our environment neat and clean. The next is need for proper waste management. So why do we need a proper waste management? So most often in cities and towns, we can see they do not have a proper waste management system. So they only have, the cities and towns, they only have this garbage removal system where all these garbages are collected and they are dumped in the outskirts of towns and cities where they do not have a proper waste management system. So we cannot allow the waste to accumulate in our surroundings. So it is our duty to participate with the local bodies to help in managing the waste. So which is very, very important. We need to segregate the waste. We need to help the local bodies in managing waste by which we can make our surroundings clean. That is about the need for proper waste management. So we discussed about non-biodegradable waste, which means waste which cannot be decomposed or degraded in natural condition. Then we discussed about the need for proper waste management, which is very, very important to keep our surroundings neat and clean. So I hope the class was clear to you. We'll meet in the next class and discuss the next topic. Till then, thank you.